Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can check the fiber connectivity, means your fiber connection is good or not, or so it's working or not. So you just have to write the IP address, default IP address, and username and password. By default username and password is telecom admin and admin telecom. So you can see from the back side of the router. After writing the IP address and default login, or if you have changed, then you have to just log in. After login, you have to click on the system info. Just you can click on the system info. After that, you have to click on the optical information for checking the fiber connection. So just you have to click on the optical information. Here you can see that current value must be in the middle of the reference value. So as you can see, this is the reference value and this is the current value. As you can see, 2.34 dbs is TX optical fibers transmitting transmit data value. So it must be already at 2.34 is in the middle of 0.5 to 5 dBs. So here you can see that all the values are in the middle, means this connection is good. You don't need to change, or you don't need um, to do anything. If the values are not in the middle of the reference value, then you must have to contact with the ISPR, and you have to send the screenshot of this image. Then they will fix it. So you cannot do anything. If this correction is good, then you have to check another things.